dropping the tire pressure. Alright, here we are heading to Hurricane Creek. I've dropped down to 20 pounds. Andrew's working on figuring out how to...
Well, I don't know how to work this motherfucker, dude. I'm halfway there at least.
Any more brain busters?
A lot. Two more.
Sleeping bags up here. Wrapped up because it was raining earlier. Fish Jeep's full. AEV kitted out. If you can buy it from AEV, I'm pretty sure he's got it.
Yeah, big sexy! Yeah! Sexy!
There's the magic school bus. On that route.
Halfway on it?
Yeah, you're about off of it. Front tires should be free. Huh?
I don't think we got it.
You keep hitting your front tire on the tree.
Is that what I'm hitting?
Them roots got you.
Push. Is that what's fucking me up?
Yeah, your back tire's hitting the root back here.
What's my front hit?
Your front's good. It's both your back tires are hitting roots. Not be able to back up and bump it right there.
Don't give him much of a gap. You know what I mean?
Your back tire's going over there in that.
That rock.
Against the rock and that stump, that log. You about had it.
Got a rut.
Back up.
I'm gonna hit a tree.
Out low. Yeah. Yeah, you're hitting that tree. Off real. We found camp for the night on Hurricane Creek. We come in from the interstate. If you're coming from Hartford, second tunnel, as soon as you come out of it, be ready to turn left. You're gonna crawl across the median on the other side of the interstate. We're gonna be good to go.
You're not good to go.
He took out the tree here. It's a good thing you got that AEV bumper.
Oh, I bet you do.
We got us a smoky fire going.
Way, dude.
Get them logs burned down. We'll cook later. It's still early, like 4 o'clock. Got a lot of drinking to do.
Too much drinking.
Too much drinking to do. Get our solar light charging. Hammock set up. He's got the back of his set up. On
Like
hardcore overland.
Camper.
It's about 6 a.m. or so. still kind of dark. Need me some ramen for breakfast because it's what Champions. There's where I slept. And my underquilt broke. We got to address that. There's my Labrador. You look upset right now. You want to fight? Huh? You want to fight me right now? You do? Okay. Oh man.
God damn, that's bright.
Oh man. Oh man, look what we got going on in here. Huh?
Ah,
Oh man.
good sleeping right here. My shit
you
didn't
got-
break.
2 mattresses?
Yeah. How damn,
Oh,
it's
man.
bright, Aaron.
Oh man, I'm just checking out the RV here. What's it like having the money to buy a 4-door?
Ah, the bank give it to me.
Hell,
Yeah, they let me borrow it.
that's nice.
Yeah.
You must have a cool bank.
They fucking might not get it.
Here, I got the breakfast going. Deese's getting his breakfast. And we eat me some hot and spicier ramen express. It should be busting. How's your fire day?
I got mine heating up in the fire.
I don't think you got a fire. Well, I just don't know about that.
It's pretty close. See, it's going.
Yeah, it should be down here in just a few minutes. Putting up camp. Here I got my ramen express. I do half the water half the time. It works 60% of the time. But put half the water in and let it kind of get good. Leave the rest boiling and I'll dump that on and it'll be fresh and hot. Is yours about done?
Yeah, it's pretty warm. It's
Oh.
hot down there.
I don't know about it. Get some hot sauce loving too here in a minute. Here we got scrambled eggs with bacon going. If you boil your water and let it sit, you can reheat. If you put it in another thing of boiling water and turn it on low. We're just doing breakfast beers right now. So here's the AEV Jeep. It's put a lot of time into building this. AEV wheels, AEV 4-inch suspension, the rock rails, AEV bumper. Got AEV diff covers. If it's AEV and you can buy it, it's on this Jeep. We have our
Save that for a good night.
Synergy Stage 3 suspension. We started with Stage 1 and we bought everything to make it to Stage 3 now. But we're waiting on the track bar gusset for the rear, and then it'll be set up.
Did you say yesterday it's like 3 months out?
Yeah, so that part will be here in June.
Damn.
It ain't too bad.
No, I can't even get my license.
We did add the JCR rack. So if y'all are doing this, they're going to tell you that if you have the plastic style, that won't work and you have to order replacements. We have the plastic style. I tried to order the metal ones from Mopar, but they're discontinued or whatever, so they sent me the plastic ones. Anyway, but I use the stock factory latches, you can see right there. Rack bolted down fine. I don't know why they say you need the metal ones, but you don't. At least not in our case. So we got our ham there. We're going to put a bag or two right here and figure it out.